human design, it's particularly dangerous because it is an extremely precise system. So yes, the mind can hijack completely the whole knowledge and start managing with the knowledge and just replacing old patterns with new patterns, and then on top of it, it will tell the story that now I'm awake and now I'm so illuminated, and you guys are just all lost, and you know, I belong to the 4% and you belong to the shit crowd and all this kind of stuff. And yeah, that exists everywhere. With human design, it's because the system is so incredible, it is an extreme that you can see, like you can see what it can do to someone when it is really taken in as an energetic experiment and as something that system through which you can actually look at things in a new perspective. I mean, it has real transformational potential as a system. So